Here is how clouds are formed. Warm air laden with moisture rises into the sky. When it gets to a certain height, the warm air cools. At the cooler temperature, it can no longer hold all its moisture in the form of water vapor. So the extra moisture changes into small droplets of water or bits of ice, and this forms clouds. No two clouds are exactly alike and are always changing their shape. The reason we have different types of clouds is that cloud formation takes place at different heights and temperatures. And clouds will be composed of different particles depending on their height and temperature. The highest clouds are called noctilucent clouds. They may be as high as 30 to 50 miles. The next highest are nacreous or mother of pearl clouds. They are 12 to 18 miles high. They are very thin, beautifully colored clouds composed of dust or water drops, and they are seen only after sunsets, at night, and before sunrise. The next highest cloud, which are 5 or more miles above the earth, are called cirrus clouds, cirrostratus clouds, and cirrocumulus clouds. The cirrus are feathery and thread-like. The cirrostratus are thin, whitish sheets, and the cirrocumulus are small, round clouds which form mercurial patterns in the sky. All these clouds are formed by tiny bits of ice. Lower clouds are made of little drops of water. The highest of these, the altocumulus clouds, are about 2 or 4 miles above the earth and are made of larger rounded masses than the cirrocumulus clouds. At the same levels are the allostratus clouds, which often cover the whole sky with a greyish veil through which the sun and the moon shine as spots of pale light. Lower still, about a mile high, are the stratocumulus clouds, large and lumpy. At the same level are the rain clouds, the nimbostratus. They are thick, dark, and shapeless. Very low, less than 610 meters above the ground, are the stratus clouds, which are sheets of high fog. Two other kinds of clouds, the cumulus and the cumuluminous, are the big, fat, cauliflower clouds that bring thunder and storms.